Hello, this is Rika, an electric workshop learning guide. Today's lesson is about simple application through overcurrent relay, two magnetic contactors, relay and PLC. There is a PLC input-output part on the right side of the screen and a time chart for PLC operation below. Look at PLC I/O. The inputs have push buttons PB1, PB2. Push button PB1 is the start button and push button PB2 is the stop button. And below, there is a relay X3 contact that receives a signal when the overcurrent relay EOCR operates. When the overcurrent relay trips, power is supplied to relay X3, and at this time, the relay X3 contact is attached to give a signal to the PLC. There are PL1, PL2, PL3, YL lamps at the output, and two magnetic contactors MC1, MC2 below them. When MC1 power is supplied, the motor IM rotates in the forward direction, and when MC2 power is supplied, the motor IM rotates in the opposite direction. Now, learn about the time chart configuration below. If there is an overcurrent relay EOCR trip signal, power is supplied to the X3 relay. At this time, the X3 contact is attached and the YL lamp repeats the cycle of 4 seconds, on for 1 second, off for 1 second, and on for 2 seconds. And other than X3 and YL, it stops other motions. Consider the case when there is no overcurrent relay EOCR trip. When the user presses the push button PB1, the PL1 lamp operates for 3 seconds. At this time, the MC1 magnetic contactor also operates and the motor IM starts to rotate in the forward direction. After 2 seconds, PL2 lamp turns on for 6 seconds, 2 seconds on, 1 second off, 1 second on. 1 second off, 1 second on. At this time, 2 seconds after the PL2 lamp turns on, the MC2 magnetic contactor operates for 4 seconds. At this time, the motor IM starts to rotate in the opposite direction through the MC2 magnetic contactor. In the case of PL3 lamp, PL2 lamp turns off every 10 seconds and turns on for only 1 second. When the user presses the push button PB2 or the X3 relay operates by the overcurrent relay EOCR trip signal, all other operations are stopped. Now, let's look at each PLC wiring configuration part and PLC ladder part. We will also check the behavior of the given ladder results emulator and look at the results in our simulation.
Input on. Wiring breaker. Press the button. PB1. Release the button. PB1. Press the button. PB2. Release the button. PB2. Press the button. PB1. Release the button. PB1. Overcurrent relay trip generation. Overcurrent relay trip release. Press the button. PB1. Release the button. PB1. Press the button. PB2. Release the button. PB2. Input off. Wiring breaker. Input on. Wiring breaker. Press the button. PB1. Release the button. PB1. Press the button. PB2. Release the button. PB2. Press the button. PB1. Release the button. PB1. Overcurrent relay trip generation. Overcurrent relay trip release. Press the button. PB1. Release the button. PB1. Press the button. PB2. Release the button. PB2. Input off. Wiring breaker.
Thank you for watching. Check out the subscription and the like button. We will make more and more learning videos. Any other questions would be appreciated if you leave them in the comments below the video. We wish you a nice day.